To the router. So what is exactly a router? So just recall again from that iOS, like we discussed the inter-network operating system. So as you know, in computer system we have the processor, we have the memory, we have the hard drive, we have the circuit board, or you can say the motherboard, etc. All those different accessories, and for that reason we need an operating system in computer. Similarly, a router is also you can say a type of computer, and the main responsibility of the router is to perform routing of traffic between networks, to route traffic between different networks. That's the responsibility, or you can say the duty of a router. And likewise, in computer we use computer for internet browsing, for performing or running different application, maybe word processor, Excel, playing games, etc. We perform different type of work on the computer. And also I said router is a computer, but the main function is routing traffic between networks. Normally a router has a CPU, it has a RAM, it has circuit board like the motherboard, it has the components, the storage capacity, it also has the storing capacity, like in computer we have hard drive. So similarly you can think of a router is like similar to a computer. The main difference, or you can say the main thing, is that there is no keyboard, or you can say mouse or screen connected with the router, whereas in computer we have the keyboard, the mouse, and especially the monitor or screen and other supporting accessories as well. But with router we don't have these things. Router are computers. Here you can see they are specialized computers containing the following required components to operate. As I said, they have the CPU, the central processing unit, normally referred to a processor. It has the operating system, like in computer we have the Windows, Linux, etc. So it has that operating system in Cisco called iOS, Inter-Network Operating System. It has memory as well as storage, RAM, ROM, NVRAM, flash, hard drive, etc. It has those different hardware, and router utilize the following memory. What kind of memory it utilize? RAM, again it's volatile. Running configuration, or anything which is currently running in system, like the running iOS, the configuration, the routing tables, the packets buffer, all those stuff are stored in the random access memory. Like in computer we have all those running processes, running configuration are stored in the RAM. Then we have the non-volatile memory, the read-only memory or ROM. It has the boot up instructions, basic diagnostic software, limited inter-network operating system. NVRAM is like the hard drive of a router. Like in computer we have the hard disk, so in routers we have the non-volatile random access memory, and it normally save a file configuration that is called the startup configuration file. So once the router start or reboot, so it will load that file into the system configuration, or you can say the running configuration. And lastly, if you see the flash, it contains the iOS and other system file. So like in computer we have all these different components like the RAM, ROM, flash, etc. Similarly we have them in the router as well. Again you can see, as I said, that with computer we have the keyboard, the mouse, the monitors and other supporting accessories. So with router as it is primarily used for routing or network purposes. So it has specialized ports and has network interface cards to interconnect other networks. So it don't have the keyboard, the mouse, the monitors and all those things which we use with computer. Rather than it has the specialized ports and network interface card, like some you can see right here, like the HWR, you can say HWIC slots, or you can see the auxiliary port here mentioned here, or you can see the console port for configuration purpose, the USB port, the LAN interface port, etc. And here we have some of the flash card slot to where we can install the flash card if we need or required. So they depend once I need to tell you that it depends on the router model as well. The router model matter. So depends on the router model, it may have fewer or more ports.